Yo guys, my name is Blessed Sinuna, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Without wasting much of your time, let me play this video for you.
Very simple. With my experience, I've seen that actually I wasted a lot of time looking for ways to make money. Don't worry about it. There are so many ways that you can make money. There are over 100 ways that you can make money today, tomorrow morning. And I'll be showing you in the next weeks exactly some of the ways that you can make money. Because I also understand that some of you...
And guys, unfortunately, he didn't show us some of the ways that we can earn money online. But because I was curious, right? Only because I was curious, I managed to go out there and search some of the ways that you can earn money online by just playing games, testing survey, testing applications, testing some websites, doing a lot of simple tasks, subscribing on YouTube and all those tasks. So I'm going to leave the links below that will direct you straight to the links or to the sites where I'm earning money. You can even fund your trading account by doing surveys. It's just easy, guys, and you have to believe it because it's real. So there's Timebucks, there's Ysense, there's current application, there's Afrisight, there's Yourview, there's I can't mention them all, but you can earn money online. So let me just leave the links below that will direct you straight to the sites. And I just want to thank you for watching until this end, and let peace be with you. Until next time, I'm signing out.
Not really having